Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kigekos kiamesa yamangana maya.
Manjito murgeria weta senigen Soko TV nigo chiaragire chensa isana na ibere chia bono mugaso chigakto kwaliganiria maya chensa isana na ibere karansuke eritariane Diana Ndemo. Togo chakabene kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo museneta we county yo Okongo mugeni asabira abarai kubwaterana eri kubagerera abalimi bekemerye cyae abanyore bonus yerigorirense uko na emeyage kano Okongo nigagikiriye meroberi ya serikali etaraikeranirwa asaboliriye gasagukyo mu gusigo chamo na kumubwatisi matiyange aseganga yae yo koligya oburai bwense
nge bungera kwanere cyane Icha mbuye murojere. Wana wote ditwari waga chikura ruto gata tetinga naenda kupanga kilimo. Wana wale wote pangara kuchinze. Wana magana yechae. Abantu baminto na tebetenga ntune kesa ukyomo usi. Chinga kichayikire tubana itako bamo. Tukwaniramo toro kinga ntora arorobia injira serikali gotuira. Chibesa chirusiri koruese keganje ya serikali gekaiwa wale mibecha yani be mesie bakowe bonus na nje nagenda bunge mbe ko muswada na nduta wichibesa twaga no bonus era bebe mwe na nje babo mtakuwa na mimi hapo mbele ngaba tenga mbe na nje ikiagera chinse chonsi pi serikali ngojere asiro mole na Amerika ndiye wada ya beire kemelia serikali ego step ya sugumo molemi edindo molemi mbosira ikiara mutasugu miri muri otorecha bona siringi 12 ngira agoro na tebe ya 12 no werekende kusina ndi moja mambie moja mutumo kwani umata wewe wakisimu kwa sawa mata wewe mko sawa wakisi tuko sawa kweli hatuko sawa na wewe hiyo ile romo sara toko mtu tari gojali abali bramo nyo tomo abagina ku president ya tenete gatenge kasi ni kurugera eru siringi 2800 era ne siringi 300 na wewe 300 ya mente kagende wono muntu ino mwali mara usaliyo mwalimo na kitawa tabanga wandi dikare to agatwalere ate wone kare asire ngotoko ligita beta option nje beta option ni korara no mwana yuto okuliye bo president okurugudo kita Fred Okengo
Nabaigo ababwatani bensemo yokoenana amaigirio gochia sabali mimi county ya Kisii yomanyakaine buna Kisii Agricultural Training Center nigo bamwariganirio morokia omonene wenseme yo muyigabo kogenda inka magayo kora emirimo asenseme yo asemia kai 15 Samarieta Benson Mulei Mtiso nigo bamuganiria maya ekera kogendanka.
We are aware of that, and the staff in ATC, you continue having the patience and the respect you've been having. I know there are staff here who are on contract, the casual contracts and all that, right? So Mulei, please, when you are leaving, make sure the people who have been working here for the longest time as casuals, they are not, atufanani si mtu mwingine atakuja aseme mimi siwajui namna hiyo. So there must be continuity. Those people who have been working here kwa coffee, kwa chai, kwa kitchen na ni casuals, your engagement is guaranteed. Hakuna mtu anaenda kuwatoa. Unajua we are human beings, namna hiyo? Yes. Yeah, tuweze kuja hapa tuanze kufuruka, sasa wewe toka, mimi nataka kuleta watu wangu pia watume chai and all that. Hiyo haitawezekana. Hao watu kama wamefanya kazi, waendelee kufanya nini? Kufanya kazi.
The casuals, I think we discussed your matter with the TMC and the Board of Management, and it was passed that you will be paid the national wages. I think it was passed. Yeah, the national recommended the casual wages, so I think that one will be effected and you'll be there. I'm sure you'll be safe whenever you'll be at an Nikiana. The standards you have set for the ATC, I think Madam Chief, Wana CC, these staff, they will make it move higher. It's not my personal effort as a person, but because of the teamwork we have had with all these teams here. So, once again, thank you very much. I feel humble. I am very happy to see this great team seated before me and my family, wishing me well as I go home. And as my son has said and the mama has said, nyumbani tunaanza kitabu zamani, I don't buy food in my home. Hapana. Ukisikia kwa mtiso hakuna mahindi, tafuta mahali kingine hakuna. And he's one of the guys who go to the farm. Hata huyu unakuta ameshika kulabu ya ng'ombe, ana problema na yeye. Na hao wengine wote. So pray for us, tuwe na hiyo energy, na hiyo upendo, tuendelee kujenga familia na taifa. Wherever I benefit, you also benefit. Madam, I'm coming home. I have no words. Manana ametoka hapa. Sasa wewe ilienda kombo kidogo, nitapigia sisi.
Boigo liberera rioro bebe nigo rigendete gucaria obunchuriria hegati abamenyi ba Busia nechinse chetana nense ya Kenya abaseneta nigo baikirani county eyo irikwenekia bunango chabari kurigeria engane eyo.
Ona nimesikia maoni kutoka kwa wale stakeholders walikuwa hapa, tumewasikiza. Kwa hivyo sisi tunaenda katika county assembly kwenda kufanya majadiliano, na haya ambayo tumepata hapa tutakwenda kujadili Nairobi, na tutakuja na sulio mfumo mzuri wa hiyo shida ambayo tumepata hapa.
I think this is one of the important border points of the country. We are seeing around 70 outbound and 15 bound trucks per day. The main challenge here we have seen is the parking area, where they are accommodating only 40 trucks. Number two is the facilities like toilets and facilities, the poor infrastructure generally. You know, the waiting time is 30 minutes, which is very unfortunate. With this era of AI and technology, it is shocking that you have to wait for 30 minutes to be clearance in this place. And another challenge we saw is that we are having more than 22 agencies that are here, and that is what is slowing. Something that you should do for 4 hours, you end up doing for 4 days, which is impeding the free trade movement in East Africa, and it is a big challenge going into the future. So I think that is one of the biggest concerns, and even in terms of human resource here is still a challenge. I think as a country, if we have to improve trade in Africa, we must ensure there is efficiency of move of trade.
Mwanjito Mulgeria inaria gendete kwenekiwa se county ya Busia hasita roya wa seneta ime county yo korene togoska mutweni ya mate ya barwanirya bobwene bwa munyabanto Bobby Njagi na Nicholas Oyo nigo yekire asichi abesi cyabarwanirya bobwene bwa munyabanto na gusaba serikali goswagati na kwirania abancho babo abubanyarete bakochererwa imeyense ya Uganda.
Promise to follow up with the counterparts in Uganda. We are hopeful that will happen. We are still awaiting feedback from the ministry. We met the PS last evening, Kori Singwe, but we feel that it is still dragging. My mom is not very young, 74 years. Obviously, age comes with a bit of diseases, and she's not been very well. I've also received reports about Bob's mom, who was in hospital before the incident, and because of the incident, I hear that she's gotten worse.
So that we can respect the rule of law, we would like for Nicholas and Bob, both of them, to come back, bring them back, And if there's anything that anyone has a complaint on, it's then in a local society, what we do, we take it to court.
It's high time that the two countries read from the same script and we be told.
Nabaigo Mosque Kimani Chungwa ulidia baraiba kwa meria serikali kwene kiabona nkomo abaromrai wense ya Kenya chinga kiria nyarega wikirania amaganio ya bananchi chinga kimaigo ababoliri gukora siasa chomorembe.
Mzee Rais Moi alikuwa anatuambia siasa mbaya, maisha mbaya. Siasa nzuri, maisha mzuri. Si ndio? Sasa wale mnasikia wakiwa na siasa mbaya, siasa ya chuki, siasa ya ukabila, siasa ya uchochezi na migawanyiko. Hiyo ni siasa duni ambayo inatuletea maisha mbaya. Sababu wanataka kutupiganisha, wanataka wakwambie wewe Mkamba, wewe ni kazini yetu. Wewe sio kazini yetu, wewe ni ndugu na dada yetu kama wa Kenya. Sisi wote Mwenyezi Mungu ametuweka Kenya kama ndugu na dada, si ndio? Lakini kuja kuambiwa ati kazi, that is exclusionist politics and dangerous politics for our country. Let us live together as brothers and sisters of one country. Because God put us in this country to live together harmoniously and peaceably and work together for the development of
Voigo ingana yogo ichania nigo musache we miaka 55 akure mambia lero ekerarenge bosio bw'ekigamiro kya Pungoma.
Huyu ni ndugu yangu. Tuko vijana watatu, mimi ni wa mwisho. Na tumekuja kotini. Sisi tulifanya kesi na mtu anaitwa Hudson Wanjala Chuma. Na tukamshinda kesi, tukapewa shamba na mahakama. Tukakawana kila mtu ako na land title deed yake. So ile kitu ilifanya sisi tukuche leo, tulipata barua kwamba advocate changi ameandika tukuche kotini kuhusu shamba. Na tukashindwa ile shamba tunakuja ni shamba gani, sababu mimi niko na yangu, ndugu yangu mwingine pia ako na yake. Kama ni shamba kati ya watu watatu angehitaji yule mtu labda kama amemzia waongee na mtu mmoja, hatuwezi kuja sisi watu wote watatu. So wakati tumekuja ndio mzee amecollapse na kufa, lakini alikuwa na ugonjwa wa roho akiwa na miaka 75.
Nabaigo omobora koyomo kurwase kinyoro kya mashariki gesaba kwa ewodi ya Bumbaba osabiro bolendi magayo mukagiro yomo kumusaga na chinsa isano na ibere kya mugaso asenka yaye na magayaye oyo musaga nite kusomokageru oyo kubwatwa n'abanyakinyoro abwasate birebuna oyo mutomete norolyo yo kure no manchito muriria tikaturanyoro botyoro
gachanga beka mache bafu ngende wesibi bafu yiri mate ganji dinina abekira mache bafu ngisibi ngachiko isibi ngachaka konyegeri na maboko ngayuna magandi yambwata egaikanga tiga macha nande ngachigotema ngasi ngabata ngatebera bde bafu ibune sikira matuka mange nembeo yaelirini tiganso keskungu guru 5 minutes manya koira na wesibi dinandi na igwiro murangu na tennis kungu igwiro murangu oli embeso ime nkamanya konyoru muntu kurukuru maega yibafu ugo chatimo manyeti ngumuboli yani nguchikulige iliyo kaboko kwa ngonyoru uri n'umuyo tukachaka komnyokanera gochanga swa nyumba gabu ngasiko murangu naliya tenenire gaga uchaka koirana ngatabuga nyumba ndengasokera murangu uri maega ngachaka ukura abantu mbalengi para moino gabo asamatanga diria kominyoka n'abantu bagachaka kumuminyoki bakamubwatira ikiruboroche gari naliria chagito kubataiti yakongita nali twarenge komukuruku Robert tukumubori Robert yiningo akabate bitimo maitiri talinde mu maiti na Robert yakuruku naliria chaka kwa kegesini yae kumbe Robert yuringo mwakira kare bakurisifu bakumubori nkayuri kumotenga tamago chaka igekirboboge kabuge kase chaire nyinge ngongumerore bonere tamaite ngoyo igobwatiro diranto bakwenda bakanyora Robert yuno yose itoga igakururanda niali na akamenyire mwane egai
Nabaigo ewisara y'ebintu bitwitanaine nigo yakwanire emerobi ya serikali ebegeteri uchikwenekya guchirwa simeka emetechi milioni 15 gukwana ime umucho Nairobi mwasiri w'ibintu bitwetanaine Deborah Barasa nabigabara ikora ase wizare yoni go batebire serikali nigiye gucyekora abakenya gucyo gusimeka emeteje skuru cyoboroso imense.
We are seeing that media is owning the process, and we are seeing that the community is enthusiastic towards this initiative of 15 billion trees, and especially for the fruit trees in the schools.
That one, this is all society, the whole government, all society approach in which we are encouraging as much as possible everybody to take part in. We have officials who are coming from various ministries, CSs, PSs, going to these primary schools. And where we have seedlings within these primary schools, we are advising them, please buy from that primary school and donate to the same primary school and to the students around who are studying that primary school. But more important is the civil education being done by the various officers in these areas in order for them to get the necessary support in that.
The trees, the root structure of the tree species in the drylands is very different from the root structure of the trees that are in the humid highlands. Most of the trees in the drylands have tubers. Immediately you plant, especially the macaws, the tamarind, the baobabs, and even the neems and the pawpaws. The minute you plant, it goes down. It requires rain only 2 weeks, and then it starts to form.
Awikira gumo nchito murigeria weta Senien Soko TV no kutera maya chinsa isano na ibere korende no yenyore ayanda mange chukora chinsa ikomino yomito Ishmael Mogere na bigense mo yamorwa chinsa isato chamaroba no yenyore asobwagale no yomito Clinton Ondigi na boyigo Frida Kerubo asenchira yobwagale bimenya mo kusanganere asenchira yowikiranu nando nyore mana itskolia lero nilitskolie kemoya munyale mo kusanga nedunya nga uboyigo tumerane ankyo asemesa yamaya ile triane ndayana ndemo.